Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna share how to get paid $500 daily from Google Translator. This is a pretty cool and easiest method as a freelancer, or on the other hand you can work as a client or hire any person to do your work on this platform. So this is called the latium.org. Latium Freelancing is an online jobs platform where users can work and hire using digital currencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. Register for Latium now to land your first gig or to start receiving live bids from qualified freelancers in a minute. So how will you do it on your this platform? Step by step I want to share. Before starting this video, I cordially request to subscribe to my channel and so click on this bell button to all types of learning and earning related videos from this platform. So let's get started. Alright, this is a payment I would like to share now. This is April 19, 2020, $1,968.440, and this is an April 27 and also 2,883 and $0.29. On the other hand, this is a payment, and this is also payment from here. You can ensure this amazing dollars by using Google Translator. So let's go. First of all, if you click on this Google latium.org, you will get this amazing features. You can work as a freelancer, and on the other hand you can hire any freelancer to do your work. There are lots of categories from here. Now I would like to share translator and the languages on this platform. On the other hand, you can work as a digital marketer, app development, graphic designer, web design and development, etc., etc. on this platform. There are lots of freelancing websites on this marketplace such as fiverr.com, peoplepower.com, upwork.com, and etc. Now lots of freelancers are making a crowd to get a handsome job on online platform. I strongly recommend you to work your journey as a freelancer on latium.org. How will you do it? First of all, I would like to share, if you work as a translator or languages to convert such as English to Spanish or Spanish to English or on the other languages, how will you do it? Now after coming here, there are lots of gigs on this platform. This is a gig $100 to $500, English to Korean, translate 3 minutes how to video, and this one is $25 to $100, translate sales brochure English to Spanish. There are lots of gigs are available on this platform, so you can start your journey easily by making your gig very simple, and you don't have any previous knowledge or experience. So this is an easy and pretty cool system. Or how will you do it? So first of all, I would like to choose this one. Now if I click on this here, now I need to translate this English story into Somalian language. This is an easy, and you can beat on this after reading all types of categories from here. Once upon a time there was a small village in Sweden. This is a biography of this freelancer. So if you want to place bid on this platform, you have to place a bid. So you have to read the total description. What will you do after coming here? So if I, so for example, if I copy this one from here, this is an English transcript. You have to convert into Spanish language. So you have to come to this Google Translator. This is a free tool just only for you. And after coming here, this is the language you have to select. Now I have selected this one, English, and now I would like to paste this script from here, and I would like to convert or into translate into Spanish from here. So you can choose this one. This one is English and this one is Spanish. So you can convert any types of languages by using this Google Translator easily. So on the other hand, you can translate various types of languages. Just click on this Arabic, on the Italian, Indian, etc., etc. from here. This is a Google Translator, so you can use this one. On the other hand, now I would like to share how to create an account on this platform, latium.com. So there are lots of payment systems such as PayPal, crypto, BTC, etc., etc. How will you create an account from this here? This is my profile, and this is my name, and this is my username. And after coming here, you have to click and on this sign up, and after signing up, you will get $1 bonus from this website. So how will you do it? Alright, if you search on Google latium.org, you will get this awesome interface about this latium.com. Get free quotes from freelancers now. If you work as a freelancer or the client, just if you want to work as a freelancer, you have to click on this I want to work here. And on the other hand, if you hire any person or any guys, you have to click on this I want to hire. If you scroll down here, first thing is you have to post a project and get free queries and select a freelancer. Pay only when satisfied. Or on the other hand, if you want to work as a freelancer, you have to click on this here. These are the criteria about these websites. What makes Latium better? Free bids, freelancer profiles, instant hire, microtaxing, Bitcoin or crypto, live set, amazing support. You can come to live here. So you can work as a freelancer, as a surveyor, as a graphic design, social and digital marketing, website and softwares, registration, app development, video and animation, etc., etc. from here. So how will you create an account from this website? And just click on this three dot menu here and click on this sign up. Alright, it's a sign up form. You have to click on this first name, last name, email address, username, strong password. You have to use a special character such as percentage and hashtag at the rate of, etc. Total 8 plus corrected. Just click on this I'm not a robot and continue button here. So after filling up all the information on this form here, you will get a link on your website. There will be 2 links on this email, such as first one is, if I click on this Latium equal to getting it done, welcome to Latium. This one is the first email, and second one is this one, Latium confirmation code. They will send a code to verify your account. This is a code you have to verify by using this code easily on your latium.com platform. So after creating an account, you will get a $1 bonus from here. I mean $1 extra bonus by creating or sign up bonus from this latium.com. So finally, I cordially request to start your journey as a freelancer or a client on this platform to get paid more and more easily. So you don't have any previous knowledge or experience or skills to start your journey on this trusted platform. So if I click on this coins here, you will get an amazing currencies from here. First one is latium, and second one is OMG, third one is ODRZ, and fourth one is FAN, MANA and MTL. Lots of opportunities to change your currency from this platform. So don't worry to get paid from this platform. BTC, LTC, Ethereum, MCR, GUSD, BTZ. You can start your earn from the any corner of the world, such as if you are a US citizen or a UK citizen, Indian, Bangladeshi, Philippines, Japanese, you can start your work from home during this pandemic situation. So finally, I cordially request to work more and more on this platform in this pandemic situation. So in this situation, lots of the people are losing their jobs during this situation. So finally, this platform will be the best for you to start your journey to. I have shared a lot of information on this latium.org. If you have any questions, just comment on my YouTube channel, and also strongly recommend you to click on this playlist to get an awesome informative latest learning and earning related videos from my YouTube channel. If you don't subscribe this channel, please subscribe to this and also click this bell button to get all types of amazing latest learning and earning related videos. Share more and more with your friends to help and get paid from this channel. Stay cool, stay connected on learning and earning tube. I will catch you guys in my next video.